Hey guys, in this video I show you how to disconnect refrigerator bad compressor and install new one. First section. The compressor was found to be defective due to a refrigerant leak originating from the electrical connector pin, requiring a full replacement of the unit. Watch this video to learn how to properly remove the old compressor, install a new one, check for leaks, recharge the system with refrigerant, and ensure the AC is operating correctly. Follow the next steps. This step includes step-by-step removing bad compressor. 1. Remove the compressor bolts. 2. Start with the discharge line or liquid line joint or expansion line, it usually comes off more easily. 3. Heat the suction line joint until the brazing looks like water. Then gently move the pipe. If it doesn't come out easily, slightly shift the compressor from its place and try again. 4. To remove the compressor, use heavy-duty carabiners or lifting straps for safety. Third section. How to install a new compressor, step-by-step guide. 1. Install temporary compressor bolts to hold the compressor in place. 2. Measure the suction line and bend it if necessary to ensure a proper fit. 3. Measure and position the discharge line onto the joint. 4. Once all measurements are correct and tubing is aligned properly, install the compressor permanently with the final bolts. 5. For brazing, apply the right amount of heat, not too little, or the rod won't melt, and not too much, to avoid damaging the pipe. When the joint area changes color and looks like it's moving like water, it's ready for the brazing rod. 6. Use the correct brazing rod for AC systems, such as a phosphor copper alloy rod. Fourth section. In this step, I will show you how to check for a refrigerant leak. Connect the AC manifold gauges properly. The blue hose goes to the suction line access valve. The red hose goes to the discharge line access valve. The yellow hose connects to the nitrogen cylinder regulator. Fill the system with nitrogen to at least 75 psi or more, and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. If the pressure drops, even slightly, it indicates that there is a leak somewhere in the system. To find the leak, if the system is filled, nitrogen, spray soapy water on the lines and look for bubbles. If the system already contains refrigerant, use an electronic leak detector to locate the leak.